Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be a makeup tutorial on a pink smoky eye using the Urban Decay Heat Palette. It's kind of new to the stores. It came out about maybe a year ago, and let me just tell you guys, I absolutely love this palette. I love the colors. It's a whole bunch of like shimmery mixed with a whole lot of matte colors, and I love matte colors if you guys did not know that. So yeah, if you guys are interested into seeing how I created the look, just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm going to be applying my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and I'm just going to be applying that to my lids and then rubbing it in with just my finger. And now I'm taking my Urban Decay Heat Palette and applying the color in Fuego in just my crease. And I'm using this card to catch the fallout from the eyeshadow that I am currently using. So now for my lids, I'm going in with the color Dirty Talk, and I'm just patting this on because it is more of a shimmery eyeshadow and you want to try and avoid getting it on your face. Now I'm blending the color in my crease with the color Heat Devil just to give it more of a reddish tone. Now I'm just repeating the same thing that I did before on the next eye. Now it's time for the fun part, my eyeliner. I am using my Anastasia eyeliner, but for some reason I lost the footage of me doing my eyeliner, so I'm sorry. But I'm taking my Bare Minerals concealer and just applying it to my dark marks and also under my eyes because nobody has time to be looking tired. We're here to slay. Now I am going to be taking my blending brush and I'm actually going to be blending out my concealer so that when I apply my foundation, you can't really see where I applied the concealer. Alright guys, we are almost done. Now I'm going in with my Bare Minerals foundation and I'm just going to be applying that using my brush, which has more of a rougher texture because my foundation is actually a powder and it's not liquid, so you need something hard to keep the powder in the brush so it doesn't fall out. Okay, so we have gotten to the second to last step, and I am taking my Bare Minerals Mineral Veil, which is their line of setting powder, and I'm just going to be dabbing this on because you don't want to swipe it because it has a tendency of making you look pale. Now for the last step, I am taking my Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara and I am just applying that to my lashes. And this is actually a sample bottle from Sephora. It's pretty nice if you ask me. I was just surprised about the size of the brush because I was just like, how can that big of a brush fit in that small of a bottle? So here is the final results. I'm going to be showing you guys the look in different lighting just so you guys can see more of the colors just popping. So that is all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. And make sure you guys go down below and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.